Hello there. So depending on which day you watch this, it might be September 14th or the 15th. But because we're taking Evaluate this week, I decided to those virtual kids to do the same thing for practice on both days. So your objective is I can answer a question by using the race strategy. Along with, it's not up here, but learning new vocabulary and using that properly in a sentence. So when you go through your slideshow, there will be an assignment there for you to watch after you view this video. You have 6 new words, and I have put the definition in. It's just up to you to write in the definition. Okay, so all you simply have to do is click on the lines here, and you should be able to type in your answer. Okay, so this is what your assignment looks like. And this is what my slideshow looks like as well. So they're the same thing, except on my slideshow you can't type. On your assignment you will be able to. Okay. After you fill in the sentences, what you're going to do is just practice one more race question. We want to continue to do this throughout the year just so you get used to answering incomplete sentences. Don't forget, I put the race strategy right here. You want to restate the question. You want to answer, cite, and I have given you the readings that you can cite this from. So you're going to have to look through this and find evidence to prove your answer. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. And then explain. Don't forget, with the sentence starter, you can start with this evidence proves, this evidence shows, just so you're not saying this means that blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't want you to start the E off with this means. Don't do that. With the citation, don't forget I want direct quotes from the actual text, so make sure you're finding stuff that goes along with your answer to prove it. It's almost like being a detective. Right here on your slideshow for the assignment, you are able to type in your answer. This question is kind of worded differently, so if you're watching this, I'm going to give you an answer on how to start this off. It says, how did Elizabeth Keckley react after hearing the news of President Lincoln's assassination? So you kind of have to put the answer within the restatement for this one because of the way that it's worded. So if you want to pause it after I'm done typing, I will let you use this for the R. Okay, so I'm giving you a little hint. You could say, Elizabeth Keckley, oops, make sure you're spelling and capitalizing correctly, reacted blank. Okay, I'm not going to give you the answer, but how did she react after hearing the news of Lincoln's assassination? Okay, so with this type of restatement and answer, the answer comes right in the middle there, and sometimes that's okay to do. Okay, so if you are watching this, I have given you a hint. I've given you a start. So the R and the A should be very easy for this. And then what you'll do is go right in here and prove how she reacted, okay? So you would start with, in the text, it says, and then don't forget to quote, blah, 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 blah. And then once you quote, this evidence shows, and then fill it in. Okay, so like I said, if you are watching this like you should be, I have just helped you start off your race answer. You can pause it and type this in. Now don't put those lines. Those lines mean you need to put in answers or citations or what the evidence shows. Okay, so do not put lines on your answer, but there's your start. When you pull up your assignment, all this purple will be gone, so you might want to pause the video so that you're able to transfer it over. Okay? If you didn't take Evaluate, you definitely need to get on and take September Evaluate for me. And then that's all we're doing for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So hopefully you have a great day. Take care. And if you have any questions, make sure that you email me or get on Google Meet this week.